Now I am going to discuss about the formation of adjective. That means how we can form adjective. We can form adjectives from noun, from any verb, and we can also form adjective from other adjectives. For example, we can form adjectives from nouns. For example, honor, it is noun, honor, honorable. Beauty, beautiful. Slave, slavish, etc. We can also form adjectives from verbs. For example, quarrel, quarrelsome. Talk, talkative. We can also form adjectives from some other adjectives. For example, black, blackish, red, reddish, yellow, yellowish, etc. Now here I have given some suffixes which are used, some common suffixes which are used to make adjectives. For example, able. We can add this suffix able to any word, to some words to make adjectives. For example, advice, advisable. Memory, memorable. Similarly, value, valuable. Favor, favorable. We can also add al suffix with some word to make words adjective. For example, accident, accidental. Nation, national. Center, central. For example, nature, natural. Similarly, we can add the suffix ar to some words to make adjectives. For example, angle, angular. Circle, circular. Similarly, suffix full can also be added to some word to make adjective. For example, beauty, beautiful. Thought, thoughtful. Cheer, cheerful. Respect, respectful. The suffix ic, it can also be used to form adjective. For example, hero, heroic. For example, poet, poetic. The suffix ish, this suffix can also be used to form adjective. For example, child, childish. For example, boy, boyish. The suffix ive, it can also be used to form adjective. For example, express, expressive. Talk, talkative. The suffix less can also be used to form adjective. For example, care, careless. Thought, thoughtless. For example, limit, limitless. Thereafter, the suffix like can also be used to form adjective. For example, child, childlike. Life, lifelike, etc. Thereafter, the suffix ly can also be used to form adjective. And here you should remember that when we add ly to any adjective, it becomes adverb. For example, we can say beautiful, beautifully. But when we add ly to any noun, it becomes adjective. For example, brother, brotherly. Friend, friendly. Love, lovely, etc. Thereafter, we can add ous, this suffix, with some words to make those words adjective. For example, danger, dangerous. For example, mystery, mysterious. For example, nerve, nervous. We can also use some, the suffix some, with some words to make those words adjective. For example, trouble, troublesome. Tire, tiresome, etc. Thereafter, we can also use the suffix y with some words to make those words adjective. For example, a hand, handy. For example, thirst, thirsty. For example, wind, windy. For example, gloom, gloomy. Thereafter, there are some other suffixes which can also be used to form adjectives. For example, affection, affectionate, ate, wood, wooden, yen, east, eastern, ern, west, western, ern. In this way, we can make adjectives from nouns, from verbs, and also from another adjectives.